Hey guys, today we're trying this snack from India. It's called home-style poha on the go. It's like a little broken rice dish. And so I saw it at the Indian market down the street. Thought I'd give it a try. I think I paid like $1, maybe $1.50 for this thing. It's mild. Easy directions. Add hot water, stir it, cover it up, wait 4 minutes, and then mix together. And voila. Okay, let's get this party started. Oh, check this out. But it looks like little flakes, I guess, of rice. And so let's get it. Let's see what happens. Very interesting though, yeah? And there's like a peanut. Interesting. All right. Let's get the hot water. Now with my lucky red pot. Now you're supposed to fill the water up to a line. There's a line inside there. I can see it. You can't. All right. Hit the line. Ow. Give it a mix. Cover it up, and I will come back in 4 minutes. All right. It's been about 4 minutes. Let's check it out. Let's see. Ooh. Check it out. So the water has all been absorbed by these little rice flecks. Or rice shavings. Let me read this ingredients just so I know what's in here. Ha ha ha. Let's read the ingredients and find out exactly what we're eating. Ingredients: poha, rice flakes, 69%. Cottonseed oil, peanut, onion, salt, sugar, green chili, lemon juice powder, mustard, cumin, curry leaf, and turmeric. Here we go. So I'll mix it up a little bit. It looks interesting. It smells good. It smells like poha, rice flakes. Okay. Here we go. Hey. You know, this is really good. Okay, this is spicy, all right? It says mild, but it's spicy. It's not crazy spicy, but for some people who don't like spice, I don't recommend it because you might be disappointed or sad. But then again, at $1.50, whatever this was, it's really cheap. It ain't gonna kill you to try it. And if you don't like it, give it to your friends. Slight curry taste, okay? I guess the curry leaf. Get in there. The curry leaf, yeah? With turmeric and cumin and some mustard. But this little baby is good. Poha, my Indian friends. If you know this brand called Mother's Recipe, let me know if it's one of the good ones or the not so good ones, because as a first timer, it tastes nice to me. So, understand what I'm saying? Sometimes when we're rookies, we just don't know. But right now, my taste buds are happy. Good way to say, if you see it, buy it, try it, and hope you like it. Take care, wherever you are. Have a great day. Poha. This guy is a winner, a winner.